Hello, have you ever burnt your fabric while ironing, leaving stain on your iron? Do you know how to remove scorches from a burnt iron? Or you want to spend less money on cleaning your scorched iron? In this video, we'll be learning 5 homemade hacks that can be used to clean your scorched iron in minutes. And also save you some money. When you burn the bottom of your iron, the first thing you should do is to unplug the iron from its power source. Then, use a piece of wood to remove pieces of burnt fabric from the bottom of the iron when it has cooled down. After this, you can use one of these hacks to clean your iron's bottom. 1. The use of paracetamol. Paracetamol is not only good for headaches and body pains, it can also be used to clean a scorched iron. Plug your iron into the power source after removing excess fabric from the bottom. Tune your iron to maximum heat, and after the iron gets hot, gently rub the paracetamol tablet on the scorched iron till it melts. Then, use a towel to clean the bottom of the iron. Repeat the process till the iron is restored to its original state. Just be careful, so you don't get burnt in the process. 2. Vinegar. This method is very good for cleaning very scorched iron bottom. Heat up some white vinegar and dip a soft towel into it. Gently rub the surface of the iron till the marks disappear totally. After that, dip in water a clean towel and wipe the iron to clean up the vinegar. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Another simple hack for cleaning scorched iron is the use of hydrogen peroxide. Pour the hydrogen peroxide into a cup, dip in a towel and place it on the ironing board. Power your iron and gently iron the towel till the scorched materials lift off the iron surface. 4. Lime juice and baking soda. This is a very gentle and easy way of cleaning your burnt iron. Just mix lime juice and baking soda, and stir until it becomes a paste. Apply the paste on your cold iron, and leave to sit for 5 minutes. Gently rub the paste on the affected areas till it lifts off all the stain. Dip in water, a clean towel and wipe off the paste to give your iron that brand new look. 5. Vinegar and baking soda. Mix your white vinegar and baking soda with some clean water to make a paste. After the iron surface cools down, apply the paste and let it sit for a few minutes. Gently rub the paste on the surface till the iron is clean. Clean the surface of the iron with a clean wet towel to restore its clean and shiny look. Just like that, your scorched iron is restored and ready to be used again. If you want to see more amazing hacks just like this one, make sure you like this video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.